Okay, so the next part, or the final part of the garden, is just to finish off the irrigation. So when you ordered your flat pack from us, the other option you had was whether you wanted the hose connection for the irrigation plumbed to the left-hand side or the right-hand side for the hose connection. In this garden, we've plumbed it to the right-hand side. So what you need is the 25mm square drives again. You need 6 of those. The hose, which part of it is already pre-fitted and plumbed or connected for you, and the hose connection, what they call a saddle clamp, that's to hold the pipe in place, and a hose clip to make it nice and secure and watertight. So they're on the component list. You require all of those. You will require pair of these or a set of pliers, something of the like, just to squeeze off the hose clamps and seal that up, and your square drive, which we've supplied to you. So the first part, pick up all the components, is actually fitting the hose. So you'll see up the top there's a right angle join, and you simply need to fit this end to that part. Now you can twist it on if you have to, okay, and once you've done that, you'll see the other connection, which we've already plumbed for you, will now go down through the hole which is in the side of the garden base itself. So we're going to push that through there. The next step is to clamp off the top where you've just joined it. So if you come part way down the hose and just flick the hose clamp around and bring it back up to the top. I tend to start them by hand initially, if you can. Just push them together, and then just using your pliers squeeze that off to make the connection tight. Once you've done that, you have I'll just grab it all. You have 3 saddle clamps and 6 screws. So down the center of the vertical strut, we're going to mount the pipe to run down there. Now you will see at the top 2 pre-drilled holes for the saddle clamp. So the first top one's going to fit up there. Screw on both sides. There'll be one approximately halfway down. You're going to fit that as well. And the last one is down the bottom, generally on the actual base of the garden itself. Right, once you've done that, open up the side door. So the next part is to fit the hose connection and the last clamp to actually hold that in place on the hose. So what I tend to do is just put my hand on the back where this pipe feeds through the garden and push the hose connection onto the front, like so. With your last clamp, put that over the pipe, and I just tighten that by hand. Just finish that off with the pliers, like so. And once we've done that, we can just close everything up. And voila, your small garden is ready for growing all your vegetables all year round.